Come and join me sa BDO's Brokers Award!
So, ayan guys, madilim na, ginabi na tayo, but ang awarding naman is 6 PM. So, okay lang. Anyway, carry lang. Basta ang importante is makahabol tayo and makita natin how does the event looks like. Then, we will record later what we can see. And I'll bring you there. I mean, like, we'll see everything. So you guys know what are the things that I'm doing, where are the places that I'm going. So
We are now in BDO Brokers Award 2024. Na, papasok na tayo sa pinaka-event. So excited! So here, didiretso tayo sa receptionist para mag-register. And of course, binigyan nila tayo ng raffle ticket para sa pa-raffle nila later. Woo! Sana manalo! Wish me luck! How will the event looks like? Eto na! Dun, dun, dun. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na yung feels and intensity. Hindi ka pa umaakyat, feels mo na yung deep ng feeling na umakyat ng stage. Here, I'll show you kung gaano kadami yung ina-awardan ng BDO. And we are one of them. So, ayan, natapos na yung first batch ng awardees.
Congratulations!
Quick short break. Siyempre, hindi matatapos ang isang awarding kung walang lafang. So, we will eat. Habang yung iba ay nakapila, bibigyan ko kayo ng tour. In fairness, super yummy yung food na na-serve sa buffet. Here, pabalik na tayo sa chair. And I'll just show you a quick tour palapit sa ating banda. So, ayan, nawala na yung mga tao. Siyempre, nakapila sila sa labas para kumuha ng mga sarili nilang foods. Grabe naman, parang kinikilig. My goodness. Why? Kasi may client tayo. New sale it is. Here, don't bash me ha. Patay gutom lang. Sobrang fast forward yan. Mabagal talaga ako kumain. Wow, defensive. Sure na po. So, ayan. Sabi sa inyo, mabagal ako kumain. Justify? Ano yun? Pero this is the funny part. Like me, while I'm eating, syempre, may mga photo shoots, may mga photo-photo bawat table. So here, may interak ang ating pagkain dahil usog-usog. We need to take a photo. Make sure muna ni ate na wala na siyang tinga-tinga sa teeth. So, ayan. Smile!
Thank you very much and congratulations to the awardees. See you next year.
At dito na natapos ang ating video.
thank you very much.
Special thanks to Bossing for the new learning tonight. Bye!